Hi guys, this is Shweta back with another video, and today is going to be a really special video because I'm going to shoot my Durga Puja haul for 2016. So if you have checked my Instagram account, you have seen a sneak peek of what my Durga Puja haul looks like this year, and you can see it's a colorful lot. I am a Bengali, and so Durga Puja is like a big deal for us. Durga Puja always means new clothes for us, like for Bengalis. So I got a really nice haul for Durga Puja this year, quite a couple of clothes, like really traditional wear. And though it is not necessary that you always wear traditional in Durga Pujas, which is what I like on this festival, but anyways, I always try to put on traditional clothes during these days because I just feel that it just goes more with the occasion rather than a western clothes, because western clothes is something we wear all the time. So this festive season kind of gives us the opportunity to wear traditional clothes. So I got a couple of traditional clothes, and this is how my haul looks like. So these plastics are filled with stuff that I have bought for Durga Puja, or I have been gifted for Durga Puja. Generally parents buy clothes for their kids, so my mom did buy me 3 stuffs for Durga Puja. I'll show you guys. So first, I have divided this haul into 2 parts because the first haul is from Max and the second haul is from a site called Pehran. So first I'll show you guys what I got from Max. So I'll just show you guys what it is. So firstly, Max is a departmental store for clothes and all. Of lately they are having great collection, especially during festive seasons, and what I love about Max is the quality of the stuff is really good. Like whatever I have purchased from Max till now, I have been using it for quite a long time, and there's no issue with the fabric and stuff. So anyways, I got these 2 very nice kurtis this time. Like they weren't on off because this was festive season, they were new arrivals, and you know, my mom just went ahead and said, you know, pick any 2 of them and just try out and see how it looks. So she just picked up 2 stuff that she really liked. I did try them on and I really love them. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is from their own collection. It's a kurti, and if you guys can see, this is the kurti, this is how it looks. This is because I cannot show you guys the whole thing. I would be doing a try on soon with these things. The next video that you're going to see after this video is going to be a try on for these clothes. So anyways, I'm just going to show you guys the clothes this time. So this is a black and red kurti with geometrical figures and diamonds like that all over. The best about this kurti is the bottom, which shape is kind of really odd because it kind of goes sideways. It's really nice, and I also love the bell sleeves. It's a very plain kurti. There's not too much of stuff or any kind of embroidery or stuff done there. I'm not into much of heavy work kurtis because then I tend to not use them much. These are the things that I can use them in my regular wear as well. So I think these are the things that I'm more comfortable in. So I picked these stuff. So this is the one. I think that looks really pretty. This is from Max, and the best part about it is it's a Liva fabric. So Liva fabric is like really soft and fluid. So I kind of really like these fabrics because they are so good during the heat here, and especially Octobers are really hot in Ahmedabad or most of the parts in India. It's like there's nothing called autumn here in India. It's almost like really hot. So we prefer to wear clothes which are very airy and really comfortable. So the next kurti is something that I picked up and I really loved it a lot. So I picked it up. I kind of forced my mom to buy this for me. Anyways, this is the one. This is another from Max. This kurti looks really pretty because of the colors. I love turquoise mint color with all these kind of different color patterns. This has vertical stripes all over, and these are really good because for curvy girls like us, vertical stripes kind of make our bodies look much more slimmer. So always try to wear vertical stripes rather than horizontal ones because horizontals make you look really like wide. So don't wear them. So I picked up this vertical stripe kurti. This is a very plain design. The best part about this kurti is it has this cut slits here in between, like there's a between and then there are slits, and then it goes a little bit downsides at the back, so it kind of gives a nice Pathani kind of kurti work here. So I kind of really like it. This is also again a Liva. So Liva is like really nice. I always feel so airy in these kind of clothes, and so I picked this up, and this was my favorite out of the whole lot, and I think I'm going to wear it really soon. This was all it from Max. The next thing is going to be from this haul is from a site called Pehran. I'll link down it in the description box for you to visit. If you have shopped from a site called Shop 19, you must be knowing about Pehran because Pehran is like their site for traditional wear. So they have this one site for western wear and one site for traditional wear, and Pehran is the one for traditional wear. And I haven't purchased anything yet from Pehran, but Shop 19 I have, and this was this amazing sale going on Pehran, which there was like an 80-70%, not even that, they had that direct flash sale, like everything available for 150, 250 and stuff like that. So I picked a lot of stuff from there, and I do not regret it at all. I think I really loved all this stuff. Anyways, I'll show you guys what all it is, and here all everything is. First stuff that I'm going to show you guys is a clutch. Now this I wasn't planning on buying, but I just picked up because it was really cheap, like really cheap. So I picked this up anyways. This is this really pretty clutch, if you can see. Clutch with shells and fringes, like they are cotton fringes. It kind of gives a really nice traditional look. So this is how the clutch looks like. The best part about this clutch is this kind of, it's a fake leather, like a fake normal material that our purses and bags are made of. So it kind of makes it really tough. It's not really flimsy or fluidy, that, you know, not low quality. I love how it looks. It's totally traditional clutch. It is for my festive season, so I can just take this clutch anywhere that I go, because I don't tend to carry much of bags during festive season because they kind of tend to be heavy, and you know, you don't need so much stuff during festive season as well, especially when you're going for Durga Puja and you're just roaming around and, you know, meeting people. You just want something really handy to keep your phone or maybe a lipstick or something in your bag. So this one is like really perfect. I love the size. I think it works really nice as a clutch, and it was really cheap. This was the first thing, and I really love this. The second thing that I'm going to show is a kurta. All of them are traditional wear, so there's nothing like a... Anyways, this is a kurta that I picked up like this. This is this really pretty fuchsia pink color kurta with gold work detail at the neck. This is really plain, and what I love is this does have a bell sleeve. This is really bright, like bell sleeves, and it's kind of short in the length, so but it kind of but the length is kind of, the shape is kind of a flowy shape, so it kind of gives a really nice shape for, like, you can wear it with a pair of jeans as well, like skinny jeans, and will still rock it. So I love the fact that it's so bright pink and will go with a lot of stuff that I have. And festive season is all about wearing colors. At least for Indians, we love colors, wearing colors during festive season, and not stick to just basic black and white or nudes. We always love colors, so I picked this up and I thought it would look really nice. I love this Chinese collar as well, and the gold detailing, and it gives a really heavy look at the neck. You don't need much accessories with it, and I would kind of have this high pony hairstyle with this because it would look really nice. So I think this was one buy, and I love this. So this was this. Second stuff is perhaps my favorite kurti out of the Pehran haul. This was this really pretty kurti that I found, and I was really surprised that this was at discount because this was one of their best-selling stuff. And anyways, I picked it up really fast because it was going out of stock like crazy. This is this really bright peacock green colored kurti. This is like a fluid synthetic material, but little flowy and fluid with this really nice pink and gold work embroidery. If you can see here, it looks really pretty with shiny stuff and all, and also the neck has this whole embroidery work going on, just like this. So it has a really nice heavy sequin work going on, and it goes up to your it's a really high length with the downside being this. The below side, it has again this fuchsia pink and the sequins going on. So this is like a very pretty kurti, and I can't wait to wear this and rock it on the day, because this is going to be one of those pieces that you really, it's like a in between a comfy and something really majestic. So I really love this kind of stuff where I don't feel like I'm trying too hard, but I'm really in my comfort zone. So this is the one. I think this is perhaps my favorite kurti out of the Pehran haul till now, and I thought it was definitely worth it for the price I paid. So this was this. You can see. Love this thing. The next kurti is the one which is the, I guess, the plainest one out of the whole Pehran lot. Plainest not because of the embroidery or the texture or the color, plainest because it is made of just cotton and it's a very regular fabric to wear as such in kurti. So it's nothing too hodgepodge or very festively, but I just picked it up anyways. I can wear it like any day. This is this really nice bright yellow colored kurti with green patchwork here and like bell sleeves. I love the fact that this kurti looks so simple, but the fitting is awesome. The shape is awesome. It kind of gives a really nice shape to it. Like for example, you can just team it up with a pair of earrings or maybe something like a good hairstyle or a pair of heels and just rock it. I love the bell sleeves. I have been loving bell sleeves like anything else I don't know, but bell sleeves I definitely love. The best part about this kurti is the below, because it again has that shape going on where it's a little high towards the back, and in the front it has this boat curve design, you know, where it kind of goes for a curve, so it really gives a very nice look. It's a basic cotton kurti, so you'll find it really comfortable for hot weather or heat during the heat. So I think it will be a really nice kurti for me to wear during the day, especially if you are going for the puja in the morning. This is going to be a really nice wear, so I thought this was really pretty. And this again comes a little flowy, but not exactly too much flowy. Okay, so the last kurti that I want to show you guys from Tehran, and my last from this haul as well, is this really pretty kurti, like green color kurti with the net work here. It has a net kind of a fabric, but soft net fabric in the front, and has this really pretty lace work at the bottom, if you can see. What I loved about this kurti is it just doesn't want to try so hard. It's really simple, but the color makes it really special. You can pair it up with a pair of earrings or a nice lipstick and nice makeup and rock this kurti like anything. What I loved about this is it's a Chinese collar. I love Chinese collar the most because I think it makes my shoulders and my neck look really slim more than it is. So it kind of helps it accentuate into a shape that looks really nice. So I got this Chinese collared. It's a really bright green color kurti, and it is a high length kurti, so it goes up to your maybe just above your ankles. So this is a really nice kurti, and the fabric is synthetic, but it's a really soft fabric to wear, and I think it will really look nice during the night time. In the evening it is really soft, and what I loved about this thing is this really pretty lace work down here. It kind of gives it a really nice look, so very comfy. So this was all it. This was all that I had to show you guys in my haul. Like, if you guys were expecting a little more much, I tell you what, there are a lot of things coming up next, so don't worry about it. It was just the haul that I wanted to show, the Max and Tehran haul. So I hope that was all it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe my channel down below and press the subscribe button there to make sure that you get regular notifications about my videos. And if you guys have any queries, any video requests or anything that you want to share, you can put down in the comment section below, and I will always reply to it. That I can guarantee for sure. Check out my social media channel, link it everything down in the description box below. You can check my blog on shopoholicpals.wordpress.com, link down below. And hope you guys are having a fabulous October. Navratri is on. Durga Puja is going to start in a few days, and it's going to be crazy madness fun this year. So I hope you guys are having that fun with your loved ones. So just wait for the new videos to come. Goodbye, ciao.